on to our final and last pumpkin. So what we're going to do now is we're going to open up number 3. Open up number 3 into Google Draw, and you will continue the same steps. You are going to start with your lights, hold that Shift key down, and select all of them with your mouse and have them all highlighted. Change this one, since we are doing the complement of yellow. The complement of yellow is purple. So we're going to have a nice purple pumpkin. Changing both the fill and the stroke. And we're moving on to our second shade. And changing that to a darker shade of purple. And I'm going to continue this all the way. You'll see that I'm almost done with all of my purples. I have one that I did forget. I am correcting right now. And what I'm ready to do now is I'm going to change my blue stem to the complement of purple. The complement of purple is yellow. Because it's really small detail, I am going to use my zoom and zoom in. And click that twice to make it really big. And now I'm going to do the same thing where I want it to be yellow. Start with my lights, hold that Shift key down, and select all of my lights. Change my lights into the stroke of yellow, and continue with my middle tones. Slightly darker, and then conclude with a darker shade of yellow. Check to see if I forgot anything, and I did. Change all of that. It's done. Let me fit my page. And now I'm going to change my background to a darker shade of yellow. All done.